Okay, the live Zoom workshop on relationships, understanding relationships, the human essential of relationships and how it factors into your healing responses, and then your changes moving forward. And most importantly, practical, applicable ways that we can go in and with tools and exercises to change the source of where most of our complaints, so to speak, or most of our sensations we don't want to repeat, or most of our responses, or most of our actions, or most of our healing responses that come from these decisions and that we are making based on these beliefs, we're going to change at the source. So doesn't matter what level of relationship you're thinking about, whether it's romantic, or you with you, or you with, again, spouse, or you with children, or you with family, or you with friends, or anything. We're going in to address and be able to identify when these occur, not just changing mind, not just talking about trauma, not just talking about, patterns, and then labeling those patterns. We got to go deeper with that. So touching everything this Friday in a live Zoom workshop. 2 p.m. Pacific is the start time. Again, if you can't make the live, don't worry about it. There'll be a 7-day replay that I make available to everyone who registers at this investment level, at this level here. I will make it available after that. And then after that 7-day replay is done, it just goes back into my files to where you could rent it moving forward indefinitely, for 7-day weekly rentals, obviously, but just at a little higher price hit, because I want people who are interested to have access to this being available at this time. So again, we're going to get into areas in this field of study that nobody is doing. And I mean, I'm observing and witnessing all the other solution options out there, all the other programs out there, all the things that I hear and see and watch represented as ways to change or ways to utilize this. And nobody's touching what we're going to get into. Not even close to bring it all in. And 1, make it make sense. 2, from a place that it's always true. 3, to where you with you can change this right now, right during the Zoom or immediately afterwards, to any level that you desire. Completely up to you. Yet another level of freedom. So reach out about details to that. Email me if you feel called. info@TommyJohnIII.com. It's for everybody, men and women. I'd love to see more men, because I feel we are the ones that don't look at this area of our lives and make excuses about it, or just deny it in every way. But there's literally ways to go identify and change right now, to the most gentle level, to the most extreme level, completely up to you, wherever you want to take this. So for everybody, looking forward to seeing everybody there. Again, replay will be available immediately after it downloads. I'm excited about this one. This one's going to hit. It's also a lot of more personal connects of me applying exactly what we're going to go over from the tools and exercises, and then observations of ways that my system has responded and things that I've denied for 30-something years. So more personal exposure into my field of this, which all the other Zooms just haven't had the opportunity to touch this. They're still powerful, but this is going to be more of a personal hit. So we're going deep on a lot of things here. Looking forward to seeing everybody there. Get ready.